Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Inexhaustible Patience and Mercy. Our topic is for today is articles. Students' learning outcomes of this session are: recall and apply rules for use of a and an in speech and writing. Demonstrate use of definite article the when noun is particularized. Here, look at the page number 10 in your textbook. We have a grammar section here of articles. Know you have learned all the articles in your previous class too and understand it. There are two types of articles: indefinite articles, a and an. The definite article, the. First, we will discuss indefinite article. What are the indefinite article? We have four usages of our indefinite article here. First, we will discuss this one with singular nouns. They are searching for a 14-year-old girl. Here the girl is singular person. That's why we have added a here. Look at the second example. Arshad is playing with a toy car. Toy car is a singular here, singular noun. That's why we have added a here. Look at the third example. We will go to Karachi in an aeroplane. We have added an here because aeroplane is starting with the vowel sound. We always put an before the vowel sound words. Look at the second usage with adjectives. We have learned the adjectives in our previous lesson, that adjectives are those parts of speech which tell you more about a noun. Here the boy is noun and it is telling you and it is describing it, the boy. The tall is an adjective and we have added a here before the tall. Look at the second example. She is an intelligent girl. Here adjective is intelligent. Look at the third. There is a bottle on the table. A. Look at the third usage. It's to say what someone does. My brother is a doctor. Sadaf is a student. There is a butcher in the shop. Look at the fourth usage. To show the person or thing. For example, she is a pupil at University Road School. There is a flock of sheep on the farm. A band of singers is performing on the stage. Now let's discuss the definite article. We use the definite article the in fourth situation here. Let's discuss the first one. In front of a specific noun name. Look at the first example. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is visiting Russia next month. Here we are talking about specifically the Prime Minister of Pakistan. That's why we have added the definite article the here. Look at the second example. The moon is very bright tonight. We are specifically talking about tonight here. That it looks bright only tonight. Look at the third example. The kind attitude of the Holy Prophet inspired all the people. Here we only specifically talking about the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam attitude. That's why we have added the here. Look at the second usage with adjectives or to talk about groups of people. Life can be very hard for the poor. Here the group of people are the poor. I think the rich should pay more taxes. Rich. She works for a group to help the disabled. The disabled. Look at the third usage. To refer to a system or service. How long does it take on the train? Here the service or system is the train. I heard it on the radio. The radio. You should tell the police. Here the police. Look at the fourth usage with the superlative degree of adjective. I hope you know the 3 degrees of adjectives. Positive degree, comparative, and superlative. Tall will be the positive degree, comparative degree will be taller, and superlative degree will be tallest. Here we put the before the superlative degree of adjectives. He is the tallest boy in the class. Here the superlative degree is tallest and definite article is the. It is the oldest building in the town. She is the most intelligent girl. Articles are a and the. Indefinite articles, the is a definite articles. Look at the examples. We use a or an indefinite articles used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. For example, I need a phone. Use the first time we introduce an object. I saw a movie last night. Look at this use of the here, the definite articles used for specific objects that both the speaker and listener know. Can you give me the books on the table? Here the speaker and the listener know that which books he is asking. Used when mention the object again, when we again mention the objects. The movie is based on a real life incident. Here the speaker and listener know about the movie and they are discussing it again as they have seen the movie before. Now look at the exercise here, section A here. We have given sentences and for each sentence we have given 4 options. Here you have to choose the right option. Look at the first one. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was looked after by foster mother. It is from your unit number 1. Yes, A. We will choose the option A here. Look at the second one. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never told lie. What will be the right option? Yes, A. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was kind to poor slave. Here, the poor slave is a specific community or a group. So, we will add the here. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was grandson of Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. Here, the Hazrat Muttalib is specific. So, we will use or we will choose the here. Look at the fifth one. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treated the rich and poor alike. Here we have no article option 2. Here you can see the definite articles is already used. So no need to add another definite article here. So we will choose no article option here. Now dear student, this is your homework for summer pack. What you need to do, you have to choose the right option for each. Here there is an activity. Draw any 2 things that start with vowel sound and take an with them. We have discussed the vowel sound, the words which start with the vowel sound and we add an before them. I hope you can do it easily. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के सबक में हमने डेफिनेट और इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल के बारे में पढ़ा. इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल वो होते हैं जिसमें हम सिंगुलर नाउन की बात करें, जैसे कि अ और एन. इसके 4 यूसेजेस हैं, सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ, एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ, और जब कोई बताए कि कोई क्या करता है या किसी चीज की तरफ इशारा करे. फिर हमने डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स के बारे में पढ़ा. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स जब इस्तेमाल होता है जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर या स्पेसिफिक बंदे या चीज के बारे में बात करें. आप इसकी एग्जांपल्स भी इधर देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपने एक्सरसाइज करनी है. उसके बाद आपने होमवर्क करना है अपना समर पैक से, पेज नंबर 5 से. Student, this is your homework. From unit number 1, you have to underline all the common and proper nouns we discussed in this lesson. You have to underline all the common and proper noun from the text. Just write it in an abbreviation form. If you find a common noun, just write it like this, and for proper noun in an abbreviation form. We discuss the abbreviation form when we write the words in a short form. I hope कि आपको मेरा लेसन पसंद आया होगा. Thank you.